Hey, Stace. How's the training going?
Okay, I guess. We've moved on to simple household chores.
Wait, no way. Dogs can do chores? That I can get into. Can they do homework too? 'Cause that would be sweet.
Skipper! Skipper!
Huh? What?
I need your help for a second. Hold this.
A rope?
Now bite down.
Seriously? Why can't I just hold it?
Because puppies don't have thumbs.
Ugh.
Ha! Perfect! Pay attention now. Skipper, open! What a good girl. See? Can you do that? Maybe you'd better get down on all fours.
Okay, I'm out of here.
But don't you want a treat? Sheesh.
These well-trained pups prove that dog really is man's best friend.
Look how easy it is. You can do that, can't you? You can? Great, let's do this. You guys.
Wow, did you teach them that?
I guess so. I was trying to train them to be service puppies.
Looks like the puppies want to be acrobats. Hey, do you think the puppies could perform in our circus for Chelsea?
You have a circus? How did I not know that?
It's just a small one. I wanted to make it up to Chelsea after we missed the big purple one.
I guess entertaining others counts as service. We're in.